Hey guys.
So we're in the middle of a blizzard. We can't go inside. All the doors are locked. Our parents are probably upstairs. I don't know. Like, it's freezing.
We're scared to death.
We're in the garage, but it's freezing. And I'm scared that there might be rats in here.
I'm scared that there are spiders in here because my biggest fear is spiders. And I watched a spider video last night.
How did you do that?
I don't know.
So I'm gonna go seek shelter, and I'm just gonna go look for shelter, and you're just gonna stay here, okay?
I'm gonna be videoing. Okay. Okay, guys. So Mia's gone finding sheltering, so we could like stay there because the garage is literally freezing. And there could be rats in there, and a blizzard is heading our way. We're literally freaking out. I'm gonna try and walk. Mia! Oh, she found something. What? What? Oh my god, oh my god. What?
It's my secret base, but it's not that secret anymore. Oh. Trust me, it's warm in there.
Sure.
Yeah, just go in.
Is there spiders?
No.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, what if the trees fall down?
The trees won't fall.
Okay. Oh yeah, because these trees are really strong. Okay, I'm heading.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Come on. Get in. Okay, we're
I
in.
can't get in because I can't go through.
Kneel, go like this. Kneel down. Come on. Come on, it's heading further. Quick.
Okay, I'm in here.
Okay, we're in.
Do you mind moving?
I freaking need to go to the bathroom. Oh, wait, I can hold it. It's not that bad. Okay. Do we have any walls here that we could?
Yeah, so okay.
What? How do we set the phone down?
We won't be able to